Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. In front of us, this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely perfect for a game of this nature. It is a true heavyweight clash.
Well, the atmosphere, Peter, certainly doesn't feel like a friendly. We all know about the quality we have on show here, so I hope that the crowd demand as much as they can get, and I hope the players will oblige on that.
The whistle. Who do you, Jim, see making a difference here?
Yeah, Marco Reus. He's a nightmare for defenders, not only because he's got such a good turn of pace, but also because he's so very direct. Take a minute to wonder about whether he's going to cut in or head for the byline.
Fulcrum! Goal! Borussia Dortmund! And it's Borussia Dortmund who take the lead.
The invitation was received with such a clever run, and he had that defence in utter confusion.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Vinicius Junior. Shifted upfield.
Footballing with usually identifies with running room, and we just...
Decent hit! And with the goal at his mercy, a dreadful miss.
Oh, now that was a chance. What a chance.
Valverde. Vinicius Junior. It's Bellingham. Played out to the right. Well read, the danger is averted. Adeyemi, and there's green grass ahead of him. Now that's well seen too. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Adeyemi. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. So he's plotting something before playing it in. Towering header! That's a half-decent try.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
No, that's been intercepted. Lukaku.
Fulcrum simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Carvajal attempts a clearance. And now they can spring out of defence. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Joselu. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Meunier did incur the wrath of the referee and has earned himself a booking in the process. Mendy cuts it out.
Well, Peter, look how far up the fullbacks are getting now. This is really high.
And constantly after the ball, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're weighing up their options to see how long they can sustain this and
Coco! Now, who's going to be first to this? Courtois trying to keep this in.
Okay, it didn't quite come off. The execution, I think, needs a retry, maybe with a better outcome.
Mendy, nice physical challenge. Chan is the guilty party there. Over to the left. Meunier. Good spot, he's seen the run. Fulkrug. And it's Royce. And there's his chance to lead the counter. He might be in here!
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision because he had...
And Royce! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
Well, I think the opposition was pretty sloppy in creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay.
Adeyemi.
Oh, that was expansive and incisive, the type of move to please any coach.
Now the counter. Interesting ball. Vinicius Junior. Meunier gets it away. Gets it back. Chip through. He's in, surely! It's run loose, who's going to get there?
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body Fulkrug.
There's the hit! It's there! And with that goal comes comfort! And he stuck it away as if laser-guided.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, with this kind of authority, Peter, why not push on and totally kill this off?
Back on the ball again. Bellingham. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Valverde. Could move up a gear here. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Bellingham. Hosselu. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Traumeni. Now it's Bellingham. Looking for options, for movement. Carvajal just loves to go forward whenever he can. Passes coming off in quick succession here. Brilliantly cut out. Brandt. Back in possession and ready to go again. Bellingham. Modric. He's found a way past. That is a great ball. Bellingham. Oh, great ball. Chance to break. Carvajal cuts out the pass. And there's the end of the first half. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Borussia Dortmund go in at half-time on a comfortable two-goal cushion. Already up and running for the second half. Hoisted upfield by the keeper. Bellingham. Carvajal. Brandt. Fulkrug. Mukoko. He's left his man. Oh, the ball's run loose here. A big chance! Now that was quite some save.
Another example of how comfortable this team is on the break.
Borussia Dortmund, corner number 2 then. And now a sudden chance to counter. Oh, strongly challenged there. Ball is over the line. Adeyemi sends it forward. Oh, that's a key interception. Good running, strong and purposeful. Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defence just weren't going to let him past. Bensebaini unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Vinicius Junior. Borussia Dortmund needed that. They really needed it.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
It's run loose here. Nicely intercepted. And here's Royce. Looking for the runner. Oh, shooting chance! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it. Borussia Dortmund have their third corner. Eder Militao. Can he put it away? And now they can spring out of defence. Proves too strong. Played with finesse. Good ball over the top. Vinicius Junior. Can he finish? Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
And here's Royce. Now then, the ball's come loose. Jim, it looks to me as though both sides are shifting their tactics here, aren't they?
Well, it's attack versus defence now, and it's actually quite abrasive. One side looking to get balls into the box, and the other doing their utmost to repel whatever arrives.
Driving forward. Oh, lovely feed, he is such a good mover. He's had a shot! They are rampant! And they are cruising away. Not so much sophistication as doggedness and sheer bloody-mindedness.
Listen, he would have been advised to do that as a kid, and it's obviously etched in his mind now.
Borussia Dortmund find a position of real strength now. There's a sharp little ball here. Swept in. And that has been clubbed away. Vinicius Junior. Oh, it's come loose. Fiddles it through. He's in a good position here. And he's heaved it away. Interception, his positioning was spot on. Vinicius Junior. Borussia Dortmund get it back again. Some resolute defending there. Chan. Full crew. And it's been taken straight back. Threads one in. He could be in here. He's got away. He's got to be in here. Meunier gets it away. Short changes him with that pass. Bellingham. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Shot could be on. Royce. Played out towards the right wing. That is as far as they're going to go. Carvajal. Borussia Dortmund are closing in on a comfortable win. Full group.
Borussia Dortmund couldn't really be more watertight in midfield. Not a trickle is getting through.
Mendy. Well-timed, excellent interception. Borussia Dortmund looking to pass their way through. Oh, that's well spotted. Eder Militao gets his pass away. Ukoko! In for the pieces! Valverde. Modric. It's Bellingham. Vinicius Junior. Played out to the left flank. Modric. It's Bellingham. Threads one in. That looks a cracking ball. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Valverde. And there goes the final whistle.